Hello my friends, welcome to Instant Electronic Channel. This is Uncle Misha. Today we got pack of, what are those? TeamGroup 32GB flash drives. I needed for some experiments bunch of small flash drives, and these gonna definitely feel the need. I bought them on Amazon, they were on sale, and they were something like 25 Canadian dollars for 5 of them. So I decided to, it's actually fairly decent price. Oh yeah. Let's not cooperate this packaging. They claim, let me get one out. Oh wow, look at this. They all they're all kind of glued together like one. Yeah, this is weird, but so they claim, yeah, they are USB 3.0, and the main feature, they are anti-fingerprint. So yeah, so they're not gonna leave fingerprints. So if you're gonna give this to someone, they're not gonna take your fingerprints. That's a very important feature. So I want to have several different Linux distros on these guys. So I want to have live CDs and like Windows distros. So I decided to get them and have this taken care of. So let's just get one freed from those stickers. I'm not sure how would you do it nicely, but it doesn't really matter. You can just do it this way. And open one. It says cut here. Let's just cut here and see. Let's push this to the side. Don't need it at the moment. Okay, well, we cut, and okay, now just probably split it this way. Ta-da! Alright, the main feature of this drive is anti-fingerprint. Oh, I see. The main feature, I would say, of this drive is actually ability to connect or attach this lid, which is totally fingerprint prone, to the back and to the front. Okay, cool. So, well, it has all this USB 3 paraphernalia, which is like blue connector, and but what rest of it we have to test. So it's actually laser cut here 32 gigabytes, so this is 32 gigabyte guy. So now we have to do some benchmarks and see if these guys are any good, and probably another question is to see if this is actually actual size of them. So let's go to the computer and run some benchmarks. Alright, so here is the write and read benchmark made by Crystal. So 120/60, that's relatively good data and expected, but in some other tools we see substantially lower write speed and a little bit lower read speed. So take a look at those benchmarks. So here is Atto benchmark, which actually shows relatively high read and write speeds in result. And here is Anvil SSD benchmark, which actually shows pretty low write speed. Alright friends, so here we are. I've run some benchmarks, and unfortunately one of the flash drives got bad. So it showed very inconsistent results, and actually I reformatted it a few times because it was essentially not recognized by computer after running some tests. So this means that this guy is electronically bad. There is something wrong with it. This so I opened 2 out of 5. This one, on the other hand, was actually doing okay. Here's some benchmarks for okay case. As you see, they are relatively expected. Okay, so this guy was showing results all over the shop, and I'm not sure what's the case. Yeah, so I have 50% failure rate because I didn't open all 5 of them. I opened only like 2 because I don't want to continue opening them. I want to just return them essentially. The reason is because I have 1 out of 5 bad ones, or actually 1 out of 2, because I open only 2. That means that I'm not really happy with this purchase, and I would be not recommending this to you. If that would work properly, would be probably okay. So this one was okay, but this failed so fast, or just failed out of the box, I don't know. I don't think this is good enough for me. So I'm gonna return all these guys, and I'm not recommending them. All right. So thank you guys for watching. That was a review of TeamGroup 32GB flash drive 5-pack, purchased from Amazon. Well, if you want to see more reviews, benchmarks and tests, please subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay safe and ciao.